The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1109 filter into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door. While pulling the dampener cord down, partially close the glove box to re-engage the stoppers and then reinstall the dampening cord. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.